Thank you so much. I see the two now. Thank you so much. How's it going for you? Cash, that made me laugh. I'm having a day and it takes a lot to make me laugh right now. You guys, be like Matthew, Venmo me and text me. Hello, thank you for the roses, Trevor. Ken, Ken, I am accepting it. Where'd you go? Send away Ken. Ken, I'm Barbie. My eyebrows are actually very sassy like me. Kintaro, I do. My link is in my bio. It has all the things. You can cash at me. I'll count down for 3 galaxies. Ken, love you guys. Michael, I do. If you want to Venmo, I can't communicate on here right now because they've got me locked. So if you want to Venmo me $100, I will text you. You can't message me right now, but if you want to text me, you can Venmo or cash at me $100 with your phone number. I said finish. If you sent three and you sent three, you may finish unless you want to keep going. If you want to keep going, send one more. I didn't. Oh, I do owe him a countdown, don't I? You want to count down or do you want to keep going? Do you want to count down or do you want to keep going? I tried to follow you back. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, then I guess it's not meant to be explained right now. Thank you, Coho. Follow me, friends. Double tap the screen, like, and share the live. You missed something fun, Bill. Is there actually a bug in my hair? Hi, friends. How are we doing today? Not great. Not having a great day. Do you want to battle, friends?